When people look at my neon photography, I'm always asked how I get those kind of edgy like light rays in the side. This is a glass prism. Essentially it's a block of glass in the shape of a Toblerone chocolate. You can use it to diffract light, reflect light, all those sort of things that kind of create edgy kind of effects on the side. So I paid a whopping $15 for this thing, and I cannot recommend it enough. It is the best way to get just the most insane effects if you do neon photography. So essentially, if I hold the prism on the side of the glass, you can kind of see that I get these weird sort of effects around my face. Whether it be you put it on the side, above, bottom, etc., those sort of things, you can get some really weird sort of looking stuff. But like for a whole 15 bucks, the effects you can get with this thing are just honestly insane. Like if you've seen my neon photography, you know that I use it in pretty much every single photo. And I find that the difference it makes is just humongous. It just adds, I guess that whole thing of, you know, you've got your foreground and background. This adds foreground when there isn't any, which makes your photos so much more interesting. The cool part about it too is it's a really easy way to confuse the viewer as to like what they're looking at, because commonly with neon you've got to try to find really terrible locations. Like, I mean, for example, a recent photo I posted was outside the front of a real estate agency, and no one wants to be looking at ads in their photos. So by going really close to the real estate signs and using this sort of thing as well, you're able to create this kind of like a larger than life effect, which kind of confuses the viewer as to what exactly they're looking at, as it kind of blurs the lines between reality and what is also fake. Obviously, be sure to make sure you're following my Instagram, marcel.photog. If you want to see all the exclusive content I post straight away, you can join my Facebook group, Camera Cult. And in that group, we collaborate on all different projects and kind of help everyone learn together. So yeah, my name's Marcel. Have a lovely day.